I started recording also. Yes.
Okay, fine. So this is good evening all. So this is a two-way communication session that we are having today. So basically, how to optimize our screening as well as how to pick up the stocks using SSStock Alert effectively, that we are going to understand. And the meantime, uh, after the session or in between any sessions, which any scans which we are using, if you have any doubts, please do let know so that we can clear. But once I complete, then only you have your doubts in. Otherwise, the flow will be cracked. Is it fine, no?
Yes, that will be fine.
Yes, of course. So let's start. So what you can do is log in SSStock Alerts. You will get this page. Okay. This is the summary page of what we are having in SSStock Alert. So basically, this is what we want. This is the most important part of our scanning in day-to-day of usage of SSStock Alert. Okay. So basically, it has dashboard, it has scans, it has analysis, it has stocks, it has stock alerts, stock info, portfolios, watch list, positional, backtest and all. But our main thing is using scans, analysis, stock info, and positional. Scans, analysis, stocks info, positional. Okay. This is the four most important things that we are using. We are going to use. Okay. So basically, what we do is it starts from our analysis. Okay. So this has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tabs. Now these are very important tabs. Okay. So the first one is high-low analysis. So basically, this will give you all the stocks which are very near or which are at 52-week high or low for your daily trading analysis. Okay, this is very effective when you want to know that 4 to 5 points are left, which is 0.26, like Apollo Hospital. So the price is 5478. Okay, now 52-week high is 5493. So it is just 0.26% away. So once you go into this less than 1% wala scan, you will come to know the breakouts. See the breakouts. Secondly, I always take care about less than 1%. So this is all from here. I will take 1, 0.989, 0.84, 0.81. These are all solid stocks which can give a further breakout, or it will not miss that new 52-week high. It has created a new 52-week high. So let's look at Sun Pharma. See, breakout, new breakout. Now this is becoming a new resistance. Once this will cross, it will have a new breakout. Okay. Third is Tata Coffee. Breakouts. Now it is forming a double top. Now it will have a new breakout. It needs volume. Volume is there. Okay. Torrent Pharma. This was the breakout, follow-up breakout, pullback, and now it is going to get new 52-week high. Titan. These are all stocks which are which are having huge buildup, volume buildup. See, this is the strong resistance, and it has touched this resistance. Now for the Monday, we should look out for Monday breakout here. Ichimoto's clean breakout. See, should look for Monday. Auto sector is doing very well. Ultra cement is also coming in. See, breakout. This was the strongest resistance. Breakout, pullback, new breakout. It needs little bit of volume because the volumes are missing right now, but soon it will generate a volume, then we can have good breakouts done. And the last is Hero Motocorp. This was a strong resistance, breakout, done. Let's wait for pullback, then we can see a new breakout coming in. Okay, now you can use 200, you can use 20, for confirming the trend. So this is 20. Once the trend is confirmed, you can take the trade. Please use this only for equities. You can even use for options, but I'm not going to discuss anything about options because it requires many more parameters to trade in. But equities, you just need to hold strong stocks and do your position sizing. Okay, I maintain a position sizing of 30% only. Then slowly, if it is going down at the strongest level, you can add. If it is going up, the strongest level you can add on the upside. Okay, so this is the 52-week high low. Okay, now for the queries. Any questions in this? So, Dabro, anyone who
No, sir.
wants to
No question.
ask? Pretty simple. Okay, you can even download the same. What I do is I keep my stock less than 300. So all the stocks which are very near to less than 1% will come. Okay, you can even have 600 also. This will give you a good list. Okay, so we can have this.
Shammi bhai, what's the target then in this case?
I always maintain a target of 3%. Okay.
So basically so right now, let's say Euritech is 1.1% away. Sorry, 3.95% away.
So this is a penny stock. So
Okay.
it is at a circuit every day.
So Tata Invest, let's say Tata Invest. No? Tata
Less
Invest.
Tata. So Tata Invest is like this. So basically, look out for my earlier session also. I always look for a consolidation at 20 MA. So look at the candles behavior at 20 MA. See.
Okay.
When you're realizing when a consolidation happens at a 20 MA, when the stock is not ready to fall down below 20 MA, then there is a volume buildup happening. So Tata Invest was, this is yesterday's. Tata Invest was in the scan day before yesterday in SSStock Alert. So it was a huge move, 20% move. So Tata
Shammi bro, can you show me that 20 moving average again, how to put it?
So go to the display, SMA, and have this 20 MA, close, save. So right now we have only SMA. Sudha bro is going to add on EMA also, so that we can have exponential moving average, which is a little more sensitive than SMA. Any doubt in how to add SMA? SMA 20, save. That's it.
So sorry. So we haven't seen the old session. So you basically look at consolidation at 20 SMA, right?
Absolutely. So basically what happens is when you have pivot very near, pivot is a pivot, you can plot your pivot from here, show pivot. Okay. Whenever you're seeing a pivot there at support, and whenever the stock is consolidation near 20 MA, that is the time when you take a stock. Okay. If the stock is in your list, do not take random stocks, because if you don't know the stock's behavior, you will end up in loss. So basically you're taking those stocks which are in your list, trading list. So what I do is I have my trading list of 30-40 stocks. I trade only 8 to 10 stocks per week.
So you mean that we should take it at 3395?
So basically it was here at say 3151 at pivot, and it was there at 3345, 3216. This was the level, because for a breakout, volume should be muted. There should be no volumes. Before breakout, the volume should be muted. That is the characteristic, one of the main characteristic of trading a breakout. Volumes are muted. In any case, see, volumes are muted before breakout. See, volumes are muted. And you can see all the higher high, higher low, lower low, lower high formation.
Yep.
If you are seeing the formation like this, you are trading a strong breakouts. See, a strong breakout. You take any like GPL. See, volume is muted, no? 20 MA pivot. Keep your trading list very simple. Look at the consolidation, entire November in the same range. 174, 175, 177, and single day up. It's also, I guess, a 20% move yesterday. So in the first time only you will get explosive stocks. The same thing, the same condition which we are trading, higher high, higher low, lower low. And the volume should be muted, yes. This is an additional confirmation. This is all the same, see. Lower high formation muted. Pivot is here. Double. You take any stocks, you will get the same formation.
No,
Yes, bank.
sorry, I'm in idea for from 6.55 since it came here. Uska, what is it looking like then?
So basically, it is structurally it is making a resistance. This is a double top. So if the volumes are not huge like this volume, the trading volumes, okay.
Sorry, how do you say it, double top?
See the both have formed the same top, no? This is
Okay,
Thursday top.
okay,
This is
got
a
it.
Friday top. Okay, so this is a double top. So basically now it has to cross this double top. Now it has to cross 15 and it should start moving like this. This was a top. It was a nearly a double top. See, 1 and 2. It came down. It came down from here. It came down from here. But this one was with volumes. So the double top, earlier double top, which was this, is now clear breakout. So now it is forming the same double top. Now it has to form a volume like this. We can have it. Here it should be having volumes. Then only we can confirm that the stock is going to break this range. Otherwise, it is the same. This is double top, double bottom, triple bottom. So this is forming a bottom. So now you can see it is consolidating box. Neither it is going down. So it can absolutely move up. Any queries in 52 week?
No, no, thank you.
Okay. So basically I use this 52 week every day to scan high low stocks. The second which I use is pivot analysis. So daily classic crosses above, you can have pivot range 1%. So you don't have to, you can have 20 SMA. So it will give you all the stocks which are very near above pivot and which are going to trend. So basically it will give you this pivot level. So 2507 is the pivot level. It is 2.59%. So it is a recent upside. This is the reason, but can clearly see the consolidation part and this big candle. It has just clicked 20 SMA as well as pivot. So it is, so on Monday, we can see the formation of, again, 30, 40 rupees up. It can go up because it's also on a breakout. This is like forming like this triangle. Okay. keep this in your radar. Then you can see Heidelberg Cement. This is one of the good companies. A strong consolidation plus volume pickup is there right now. Okay. Muted volumes plus and volume pickup is there, so we should wait. It has cross pivot on Friday. It will be very interesting to see this on Monday, and it is at double top. This is the top. This is the top. Okay. So once it clears the top, you can have all these resistance. So basically, you can draw 3. You can draw trend. These are all resistances. We have an inbuilt resistance as well as support level over here. We can have pivot, we can have R1, we can have R2, we can have S1, we can have all this solid support which you can enter. So always try to enter here. Breakouts can fail, but you know, breakouts backed with volumes can have further long breakouts. SDFC Bank is good. See, consolidation, a super consolidation is going on. Click pivot as well as the trending moving average, which is 20 MA. So now it does just have to cross this level, the top mid. I mean, all the 3-4 tops are here. 1525. The once it crosses this 1534 level, which is marked already over here with our side, a clear indication that it can move further. Moreover, this is a big consolidation. Relaxo is the same. So, see this is a difference. This is crossing from below. This is crossing from below. This is crossing from below. Relaxo is crossing from top. You can see the structure. It is crossing down. This we need to see, because this can be a pullback. But never trade in this kind of stocks, because it has to come down. As per the structure, this is the biggest candle which I have with the volume candle is this. Let it come to this 890 levels, 890, 891. Then we can confirm the reversal. Else you will be trapped. You will be trapped seeing that pivot is coming or support is there, something like this. But never trade in this because there is no volumes. Possibly, and there are lots of wicks. See wicks. These are all rejection wicks. There is no buying. Subdued buying is there. So I will not trade this. Any queries in having pivot?
No,
Yeah, like whenever there is a such wicks, right, either top and bottom, better to avoid that type of stuff.
Absolutely
as,
avoid the
Shammi
choppy
has
price
said.
action. Yes.
Yeah.
Choppy price action. So basically, this is absolutely choppy. Able to see my trading view screen?
No, the same screen only we are.
Okay. So if you look at the
Here you mean pivot it at 901.20?
pivot is just 898.28. You can see the
Okay.
P.
Yeah, this one.
We have highlighted in the site only. We have highlighted.
Okay.
We have highlighted 20 SMA over here. We have highlighted R1. We have highlighted S1.
Yeah, maybe you can use 3 resistance, Shammi bro. Maybe it will give less.
Yeah. See, basically what happens is this will want give you a clear picture. See, there are all wicks. These are all wicks. I will not trade into this because you will get trapped. One who is trading over here saying that breakout has happened at 937, he's trapped 40-50 rupees down. Okay. Till pivot is there and it is struggling from last 3-4 sessions at pivot. That means there are no buyers. How do we confirm Relaxo as buyer or not? Straight go to this our stock info sheet. You will have Relaxo. So automatically, whichever stocks we are using on the last will come over here automatically. Whichever stock which we are using on the last, which will come on the screen first. Look at this support and resistance. 38 points. 38 points. That means there is a very strong resistance at 910 levels. That you are able to see over here. See 909.80. This you can. This is readily available in our site. Just your 2 minutes of your time checking the resistance or this is a supply zone for me, this is a demand zone for me. So it is readily available. If you can go and check the price over here, you will come to know whether to take this stock or not. And the recent price action is October 19th. Okay, 936. The 936 is here.
Shammi bro, the way you have selected classical pivot point, do we have Camarilla pivot scanner as well?
Camarilla doesn't work in stocks. You can use Camarilla in options.
Okay, okay.
And Camarilla doesn't work in stocks because what happens is Camarilla will give you very near result. This
So here
Generally in the technical
I'm
analysis,
studying
when we said
Camarilla
that,
as well.
sorry, please continue.
Yeah.
What I'm saying that initially I was started with standard pivot points or classical pivots. Then somehow I went to the Camarilla as well. And from last 2 and 3 months, I'm studying Camarilla pivots thoroughly. And in intraday trading itself, the levels work very well, and even in swing trading. So might be you are not have gone through with the Camarilla. So it's your perception or your point of view. That's totally fine with you. But having said that, the scanner, if it is there, it will helpful once we start getting into it.
Yeah, the scanner is available, brother. Yeah, the scanner is available.
I'll tell you something. Camarilla, Fibonacci, Woody, what are they? They are a sort of a zone, na? Price zone, correct?
Right.
It is a price zone, na? Price zone of what? Do you think pivot, a normal pivot, or a Camarilla pivot, or a what do you see, Woody pivot will give you targets? No, it will not give. It will only identify monthly price point where the turnover can happen. Okay, this is turnover.
Right. That's majorly I look for when I use Camarilla. I only try to find out the reversal points.
Correct. So turnover points. So basically, for me, I'm using this pivot from last say eight years or so, and I never trade with pivot. I only have my additional confirmation. Intraday trading, I will never suggest anyone to do intraday trading because you're just wasting your time. With a limited capital, you cannot trade intraday. You need 50 lakhs, 30 lakhs, once a year to be profitable. Else, get back to me after a year with your P&L sheet. You will come to know what I am speaking about. Okay. So whether you're doing a Camarilla, whether you're doing a pivot, whether you're doing any Woodies, anything, it is based on your comfort zone that you're doing. But since the technical analysis is all about only single thing, which is pivot. Okay. After pivot was made, then all these different things came in. So basically, if you're sticking to Camarilla or the pivot, it doesn't make any difference because everything is on the tight edge. If it is 898, your Camarilla will be 902. Pivot only, na? We are talking about only pivot. Okay. But the thing is that R1 will be very near. Here the R1 is at 936. In Camarilla, the R1 will be at 920, 915. So you are finding it very easy to use in intraday. But for a positional player or a swing trader, you need couple of percent, na? 1, 3%, 4%, 5% return. Otherwise, you will be giving more to the STT charges and all. There will be no frequently trading. It is not about the quantity that you take. You should always calculate the amount of risk reward that you are also generating. So for me, pivot will be same whether you take Camarilla, whether you take anything. So basically, one good thing to find out is just going to this. I mean, This
One
is the
more thing.
strongest.
Sorry
Correct.
to
Tell
interrupt
me,
you.
sir.
When you are explaining all these things, just when we talk about confluence trading, right? We have one more excellent feature, OI trading at OI support or OI resistance. So it will be nice if you can or added confluence can explain that when to look out for OI, if a stock like say is trading at OI resistance. When I say I have added this scanner for my favorite scanner, and it's give me everyday OI at support, let's say. And the about industries yesterday in scan result says it's trading at OI support, and the previous day's score and today's score as well are great, 47 and 33. So when let's say I want to trade about industry, so where do I actually take consideration of that levels? How to I can add do that extra confluence in my trading?
So
You
basically,
got my
never
point?
trade at never trade using OI. Correct. If you are trading using OI, that means
No,
you are
just
an intraday trader.
as I mentioned, a confluence trading. I said you have. Let's say I'm trading swing trading with pivot. Once it crosses 2 or 3% from the pivot, and now let's say I'm going for a swing trade. So is it wise to use OI resistance and support, or uh, can that be added as a confluence or not?
You should generally, if you ask me my personal thing, you should never. Because OI can be changed every 5 minutes, no?
Right, right, right.
Correct. OI is changing every 5 minutes. If you're checking OI buildup is like if you go and check in live, like go to options and do an OI check. Okay, this is 30 minutes refresh, which we are having. So basically, this will only give you this. This is put, but seeing an OI, you will never take a trade. You're seeing all resistance. So right now, about is 23625. So this is the ATMs, the one which you are seeing. Like this is the resistance. The call OI is very high. This is the put OI.
Right.
The correct. So 2300. The moment 2300 goes for a stock like Abbott, 300 400 points up down is like peanuts. Correct.
Right,
So
right.
how will you manage your trade in OI? If you're doing option trading, then it is good because you are not spending more than 30 minutes, max 30 minutes in an option trade. Okay. If you are a scalper, you are not spending more than 5 minutes. For me, this is very dangerous. For me, I will always look for this. You can see every support happening at this levels. You're seeing here. See.
By which level? Sorry, we can't see the mouse.
Here now, the 20 SMA, 22.9. So it came down and it took support at 20 and it's moving back. So we have all these three support lines. If you can just on the swing pivot support, draw three. Take. Now if I remove it all, like this will be a naked chart. Correct. This is only having pivot.
Right.
Okay. So this is a pivot. This is one. This is two. Take. And if you add support like 3, if you had resistance at 3, you can find you have a support at this level, you have support at this level S1, you will have support at S2. Now the same thing can be seen in order books. Yeah, so strongest support is October 25th. Strongest nearest support which is made 22,899. So 22,899. So 22,900 here. Double bottom. Earlier it was a strong resistance breakout. Now the strong resistance has come to strong support. Trade here now. This should be your confluence. So here
Right.
everyone is trapped. Here no one is taking. Everyone is so confident at the top that they think that the price is going to move up. This is why operators are so active. They think every one of us are very comfortable in trading breakouts. Nobody is comfortable in trading supports. It should be other way, no? You should always trade supports and you should always exit breakouts. Since we are told in TV and everything, trade breakouts, trade breakouts, trade breakouts, we are only trading breakouts without knowing we can be trapped. This is how accident happens. A trader become an investor. He's taken a swing trading, he has taken swing trading and he is an investor right now. So this can be avoided if you can wait for your setup to come. The stock, let the stock come to your levels. No? So for me, these are 20 pivot, these are all good levels to enter. So only use this. OI is changing every 5 minutes. Don't rely on OI. And this, if you have 50 lakhs with you, you can create OI.
Right.
I have a very simple doubt. When we talk about this double top or double bottom, generally it is said when you trade in double top, the chances of coming down are more. And when you trade at double bottom, then the chances of going up is more. So can you please explain that?
See, basically, double top and double bottom. These are very simple things to understand. Okay, simple things. Why? So this is a double bottom, correct? Now look at the double bottom. Just go to your left. If you analyze your left, you can see your right. What is going to happen? Because charts never changes. It will always place again and again. It will be repetition. So if you see this level, why the reversal has happened at this level, you should come and see this level. This level. Look at this. So basically, this is the level 2291912. See, October 25th, 2023. We are discussing on 18th of November. Nearly a month is going to come. You can see this is the strongest level, the recent price action where the orders have come. And I think many of us are not checking volumes. This is the volume. See, this is the volume. Okay, so there are in volumes we have two things. One is traded volumes, one is delivery volumes. Okay, both are different. Traded volumes means for the intraday trading which has happened. If you can have it counts your stocks, shorting. Intraday trading you can only do shorts. You have to square up by 310, or it will be auto squared by RMS, because you cannot carry. Whereas in stocks, if the same stock is in future F&O, you can take the shorts home. Okay, so this calculates everything, volume delivery. So basically, if you can calculate 15 days OLHC, which is a super tool. If anyone doesn't know any technical analysis, if he has to do his own analysis, where should he buy? Then you should come down, just spend 1 minute in OHLC averages. I've been repeatedly saying this in my old tweets. Just by having 15 days average of candles, you will come to know the exact low wherein you should pick up the stock, or you can keep a GTT.
Yeah. Got it.
Simple,
Very nice.
simple. GTT, simple. You don't have to track. Take a 15 दिन का 15 days trading lows is here. Low of all averages. You don't have to do any rocket science, brother. Okay. Just keep a GTT. You will be amazed with this performance. Take any stock, any damn stock, and if you can keep, if your GTT is gone, you are entered the stock. Just keep a GTT of high. That's it. You will get your 300, 400 points. The stock is big, so 300, 400 points, because that is the best of volumes that we are having. It analyze. We have a fantastic feature of analyzing average of all lows. Okay. This 22,843. Now look at this 20 Y20. The low is 22,704. 22,704 here. 20 days average. If you have entered over here also, huge run. So basically I check 15 days. For a safe player, always do check 15 days. You will be usually surprised with this result. Okay. So you can have delivery also. Every day delivery changes. 50.44. If you're trading 80, the delivery percentage changes. So for me, 15 days is the best. Any doubt in this?
No doubt, no doubt. Thank you.
This is the best feature that anyone, zero knowledge of technical, you should use this. Okay. And the more analysis you do, the more the paralysis. The less analysis you do, stick to basic, to the point, you will be profitable. For me, we are not an TV analyst. We are not getting, we will not get paid or we will not get profit by doing analysis. We have to execute. For execution, you should have zero fear. Zero fear comes from your time spent on your charts or time spent on your data. So these are all data level trading that we are doing. And SSStock Alerts, Sudha has done a fantastic job in giving to the point data. Okay. So basically, one who trade all these things, he should only do this positional page, which I will come next. You should not do all these things. You should only stick to positional page. There are gems in positional page. So any doubt in this?
Sir, for swing support
sir,
and
thank you.
resistance.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Sorry, sir. For swing support and resistance page.
Correct.
There are like multiple. We need to look at the lowest of support or how we can.
Okay. So tell me a
support.
stock which you want to clarify. Chalo, let's do it. So it can be more beneficial for you and others to understand. Any stock of your choice.
Okay, ICICI Bank, sir.
ICICI Bank. So basically, this is ICICI Bank. Okay. Can I pick a call? Quick call.
Yes, sir.
So bro, can you keep me in mute for 1 second?
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Hello, you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Now we are able to hear.
Now you're able to hear, no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
So okay. So right now, look at ICICI Bank is trading at 921. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to see the nearest. So this is an algorithm setup which Sudha has made. So it will have the high-low connectivity only. Okay. So it will connect the maximum points and it will generate a volume for you. The volumes are generated from this page over here. So it takes off averages of all volumes and it will automatically generate the nearest support and resistance for you, the strongest level. Okay, you should mark this level on your charts to see its capability. So for me, the best is 26 October, 899. Okay, this has got the strongest support. 900, you can take 900. So here you will find the strongest support. This level, strongest support, which was the lower low. Okay. Now we can see it has breached the pivot. It's coming down now.
Yes.
It has breached the pivot. So this is a big seller. This is a strong buyer. This is a big seller. Okay. So and this is again a big seller. For me, I will wait. Let it settle till 9. This level. So this 1, 2, 3, 4. Let it wait till 910. I will buy at 910. So we have something at 914. We have something
14.
at 917 with that 9. So I will wait till 914. Let it settle. So I will keep an alert at 914 or 915 because it is having a good volume.
So the 900 you have chosen based on the highest volume, sir?
Highest volume is 899 is the highest volume. And moreover, you can see this is 510 rupees.
Low.
For a big stock
Yeah,
like
yeah.
510 rupees doesn't matter. 891,
Yes.
897, 899. Basically, this is the final support that you can see over here. And you can, moreover, you can see the same thing in the pivot. See. Always remember the monthly pivot is the strongest. Always remember, if you don't know anything about technical, remember the strongest price action is very near to all these levels. You should never forget this. 925. You should never forget this. You should never forget this. This is the best place to buy. If you get, this is the best place to average. Okay. This is the best place to exit. This is the highest level that a stock can travel. This 4 quadrant is very important. Okay, this is the important. Now it has breached the support. So it has just breached. Now go to volumes and just check. See, 924.98. The stock moves above this, then only it can give you good run up. And secondly, you see, if you are buying at 925 also, 1% is 9 rupees 25 paisa, correct?
Yeah.
You are not able to get that even. So why should one buy ICICI Bank right now?
Yeah.
Why to risk your hard-earned capital if you are not able to generate 1% also? I am sure your SL will come very fast, but your target will not come. Okay. So I will avoid.
The last 2 weeks, it should have traveled in a good distance, sir. A good range.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay.
So just explain this point, please. Now again, open low and the volumes page.
So basically, I will look for confirmation in volumes because I can only trade with big players. Correct. I don't have the capacity to generate 5 lakhs quantity. You know, hope you all know that to even move 1 rupees, you should have a 5 lakhs volume. Okay. So 5 lakhs volume cannot be made by people like us. Yeah. It should be backed by big players or an operator or a FII or an institutional trader or a professional trader, pro traders. Okay. So we cannot generate such volumes. You know, every day ICICI demands a volume above, say, like 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. This kind of delivery, this kind of volumes and delivery are not possible with the retailers. But who are they? So who are they, and why should we trade along with them? So they are shorting the stock. If you look at the performance, they are shorting the stock. 1 year return is 3.5%. Okay.
But yeah, sorry, on the same thing. Sorry, Mike. If you see, you have written there's a point written there that the last some days delivery is very high, more than average. Isn't delivery buying as against selling?
But who are they? Will you benefit? Will you get benefit if you are taking a delivery? You should hold, na? How can a swing trader get benefit? Tell me. If I am trading, if I'm not even getting 1%, then why should I trade this stock?
Okay.
You will be an accidental investor in this. Please remember when Bank Nifty was trading a couple of days back at 44,600, ICICI was making down move. Why? Should ask, no? Why is HDFC Bank not moving? Only index is moving. HDFC Bank is not moving. Because of subdued deliveries. Who is taking the deliveries? The MF are taking the deliveries. But people like you and me, we are here for trading. We are here for swing trading. We will only get benefit when the stock literally moves up, not consolidate, not coming down. We will not get any benefit unless and until you are an option seller. You cannot take advantage of down move by theta decay or time decay or delta decay. If you are a investor, you should not worry of all these things. You should buy at strong dips. If you are a trader, absolutely you should worry. If someone is trading this, seeing breakouts and breakouts at 950, whether he's having 500 quantities or 100 quantities, he is down 30-40 rupees. God, if he's trading in futures, he's down there. He's in loss, 13, 14, 15,000, 20,000 loss. He will have to cut his loss the moment it goes like this. He cannot wait for 50,000. Oh, let me ask whether you are going to hold the same for 50,000 profit. No, you are going to cut your profits 8,000, 10,000, 15,000 the moment you realize. But in loss, we are holding so much. For me, this is a non-trending stock. It is below pivot. The 20 EMA is down, as well as it doesn't look good over here in volumes too.
Yeah,
One stock which I traded, which was here at this is Walk Pharma. Look at this. Subdued volumes. It was there in our SSStock. Alerted. Here also alerted. Here also alerted. Here also alerted. Here also alerted. Right now it is making a double top. So no trades. Let it cross. But look at this. The muted volumes. Same pivot. 233. Muted volumes. Pivot.
Sorry, one more question. Sorry on this. Which alert you are referring to, Shammi bhai?
The positional alert. Either positionals. Shown you. All these are golden eggs. See, for a stock like this, 11 to 48 jump, I should look for this stock. What has happened suddenly? Price action. Look at this. Nearing breakouts, strong volumes, above pivot, muted, and volumes has come in. This is my stock. Like this. This is one of the example. Look at about is here. See, 33.47. It is having this 20 M is good. Tata Invest is here. Zydus Life is here. SGVN is here. Ready to blast. Muted volumes and rising channel. So this is a trend line breakout. Huh? So you can see here now. Someone who knows trend line, see it is like this. Triangle. No, look at the squeeze. No place now. Either it will come down or it will move up. So next week, focus on this SGVN. Thank me later. Okay.
So entry above the 78 mark, right?
You can have 78 point like this. 78 rupees you can have. Absolutely gem of trade. It will be.
Sure, definitely. Thank you.
So this is the explosive stock content you should have, na? Bombay Dyeing, one of my favorites. See, clean price action, muted volumes, pivot 20 SMM, ready to blast. This one candle 164, 167, 168 upside. Keep this in your radar. Tell me next week what is happening. This itself is a strong. This itself is a very strong thing. Just have to manage the scores. Look at the scores. IVP. Look at the scores. GPL. Amazing. It was screaming. GPL before Friday, Thursday also it was there. It was very near to the 20 SMA. Muted volumes. Pivot also 174. Look at the blast. About is there. Varroc is there. Varroc I traded in my. If you are in my channel, I traded live Varroc. So this Varroc is there. Muted volumes. 20 pivot. 470. Look at 470 to 563. Keep your analysis.
Shammi bro, I had a problem in Varroc.
Okay.
I booked the profit after crossing some 12% high, and then it crossed to 16-17%. How do we, have that feeling it will go up, or happy
Okay,
with
good
whatever
question.
percentage?
So basically, when you entered the Varroc, were there any targets in your mind?
No.
Perfect. So what was your intention of having Varroc? As a trading or as a investing?
Is it trading?
Trading. So there should be a target, na? कि मेरे को इतना मिलना चाहिए, इतना पैसा मिलना चाहिए, या some kind of return that you are expecting, percentage or maybe in numbers.
So that's why when I got that 12% to 13%, I thought it is enough and I sold it off. And it went on up to 18%.
Perfect. So
Yes, Anand.
basically, when you are doing a trading, okay, when you are literally doing a trading within a stock, if never think of this, the भाग गया, मतलब about 16% हो गया, the stock can be 50% also. Okay. But what if the stock comes down 20%?
Possible.
We never know. If you know, we could. If I knew everything, I would have not told anything. No, I would have sold my house and invested in Varroc only. Crorepati. Because you never know. So please keep a trading target in mind. Secondly, when you have entered, you will have a very good thing, which is this page. When you go to the stock info, when you search Varroc, when you go to this, here you can see the targets. As I said, monthly is your biggest friend. Please, if you don't know anything, just follow this. Look at this.
Okay.
This is your final target. If this moves above this, then you are in blue sky zone, which is a new 52-week high.
Okay.
52-week high. November 17th. New resistance. Okay. Now, couple of things. Though 2 or 3 times when it comes, we're nearer to this price, our algorithm will surely catch up the points. Right now, it is on Monday. If it open up 561, 562, then new high can be possible. So this is your target. This is the only check this. No other page will give you this information. Okay. Any doubt in this?
557 or 616? No, 557
or 557, 616, 588. I always follow this page.
Okay, thanks.
I always follow this page. This is for intraday players. I always follow this. This is having a good accuracy, solid accuracy, and it is based on our algorithm also. It combines our algorithm of volumes. So basically, if you see 459 was the low, correct? 460. If someone has picked up the stock at 460, SMC 469. This is 460. Average of all lows. It was there 2 days. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday.
Yeah.
And it was additional confirmation was your pivot and 20 SMA. Muted volumes. Volumes are not there. You can see stock is not going down. That is the main characteristic of this. Any questions on this pivot? How to see targets?
No, thank you so much.
Okay. The third comes is my volumes, which are shown you. If you are using this, then it's okay. Which you are using that, it's okay. So let me go and go to this scans. So basically, so I have different scan, but I will give you my best. One of the best is price and volume breakout. Now we just have to select 3 things: resistance breakout daily, 150% higher volumes, and trading options at resistance. These 3 scans will give you the best of stocks if you are using futures. Else you can change your this thing to all. It will give you best stocks. Okay, so whatever we have learned right now, it's a combination of all 3. Okay, see, Apollo Hospital has come in. Exide Industry, watch Exide tomorrow on Monday. So solid it is. So the breakout was, resistance was here, 1 2 3 4 5, small wick upside. So it is nearing to that 52-week high. Whole pal. Strongest stock will never come below their pivots, monthly pivots. Okay. Traveled up, retraced back to pivot, 2073, 100 points up. Hero Motocorp. Traveled up, pivot, took support of pivot at 3091, 200 points up. SBI Life. Breakout, came back to pivot, hung over this 220 SMA, never gave pivot upside. 1335, 100 points up. MFSL, strongest, came back. This is the pivot, 908. Look at the pivot, never came back pivot. Still trading in the range 20 SMA. Grasim. Though the volumes are missing, but the stock will not come down pivot. It is forming this breakout pattern like this, triangle breakout. SDFC Life, solid. Look at the struggle which the stock gives at pivot. Many are just ignoring this simple technique of pivot trading. They want all complex things. Either dekha, udhar dekha. But for me, paisa kamana, simple trading method use karo. And stick with one strategy for at least 6 months. Then only you will come to know what is the power of that strategy. We are just hoping, skipping new strategies, seeing YouTube's, seeing many things. Isko profit mila. They are all fake profit. Ask them their live trading, they will not be able to take 100 quantities also. For me, this is very simple. See, 20 pivot, trading pivot, 622, 660. More than return is solid. Dr. Reddy, IRCTC. Dr. Reddy is also the same pivot, IRCTC. Look at this. 7 trading days at pivot, muted volumes, single day up. For this, why I use this? I use this in my equities also. I use this in my options also. So that I have kept 3 combination. Dalmia Bharat. Shaping up. Also keep this stock in your radar. It is ready to fly. Pretty light. 8 trading days at pivot. Ready to fly. Strong. Ready to fly. Just have to cross this guy. 1593. Berger pins. Ready because lots of consolidation over here, and absolutely there is a huge gap. Mark my words, some or other day it has to fill from this level to this level. Maybe in a year, maybe in 2 years, but gaps will never be left. It will be filled. So this is the strongest price and volume breakout that you can have.
So you mean that suppose the Berger pens, if it comes to 680, it will go up from 680 because of the filling of the gap?
Gaps will be filled. No, in charts you will never have unfilled gaps. It will be filled.
Berger pen, if you can just see the huge gap between 680 to 720.
No, it is that
716.
716 to 679.
So 680, if it crosses, then it may go to 720 or about that.
Correct. So we should, if you are structurally, you should see the pain story. Okay. Why should you not take this? Look at this. It's a solid promoter holding here. 74%. What more do you require? The promoter is itself interested in his own stock. उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता whether you or me taking the stock. He is only interested in his stock. If a promoter holding is above 60%, absolutely the stock is going to do wonders. You just have to stick with the stock. Don't look at this this incremental. This is not decreasing. A decreasing promoter holding means a stock is having negative impact. This is an incremental impact. Okay, solid. And look at this. We have given everything. We don't have to look at the September 2022 2671. Look at the September 2023 2767 incremental. Look at 364 operating profit. Look at this. Do you think the EPS was 1.88? Do you think EPS 2.5 is negative? No, it's in accumulation zone. You will come to know soon where the stock is heading. Correct. We have every information in our SSStock. It is, I think so, people are not looking in for details. They are looking for breakouts. They are not looking for internal data that we are having. Look at the performance.
Sir, what is the score denotes, sir? It says, for Burger Page 6, whereas Canfin Home, it was showing like 32.
Scoring is a different method wherein the volumes come in. There are many parameters. Berger Paints, it's set low. So it is an accumulation zone. So anyone who has taken Berger Paints will be in a negative mood. Like someone, if he has taken Berger Paints on breakout, he will be down 100, 200 points. Okay. He has no other option rather than to stick. But we should know where are we heading to. So basically, look for this monthly thing. I always look for this monthly thing. You will get a clear picture. This will not give you a clear picture. This will give you a clear picture. Alt plus M. Why am I speaking that it is in an accumulation zone? We are not accumulating. Big players, smart money are accumulating. We are waiting for here. These guys are not waiting. This is a monthly triple bottom, 4 bottom, 5 bottom. See, 1, 2, 3,
This is the buy
4, 5, 6. Okay. And we are not even bothered to buy. We want the stock in breakout. No? That is why. The money is made over here. Always remember, your biggest money is made at bottom. bottom buying. Your biggest money is not made over here. Here you will be always worried. Here you will be always relaxed. But
Can
we
you
do the
please see
opposite.
the chart of Circa Paints?
So basically, this is a fully avoid thing. Why? Because I'll tell you. This one candle, go to this. You don't have any promoter holding right now. Fully owned. Now to check the stock, why the stock has fallen this much. No, the trajectory is very less. If you will be a fully holder, so please don't buy this. Buy at near this level, 350 or something. I can see only one buyer over here. That's all a seller. The trajectory is down now. See, the slope is down.
Okay, okay.
Do not get in this stock.
Okay, okay.
And now 1 year 45% down.
Always go for stocks which are giving some good percentage for last 1 year.
So
that
this is not
definitely
a
those-
good stock. There is some issues because the same month May 9% downwards. So the same month we had 50%. So some issues with the May performance. Have to check with this quarterly performance MTIM. So then we'll come to know what is happening. So these are like September 70 to 15% hike. So March, April, May. 54, 68. Some issues with the collaterals, I guess. Have to check with this fundamentals. Okay. For fundamentals, you can use screener dot and that will give you more this.
Yeah, there is a link from there. If you go to fundamentals, you can just click on that. You can go to screener also.
Where here na? Yes.
Yeah, here you can
So
click on that.
basically,
It will
yes.
take you to.
So liquidity is the issue.
Cheers.
Yeah, no, see, look at we can check. Are you able to see the screen? No,
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Any doubt in this first analysis?
No, no doubt, no doubt. Thank you.
So this is the one pattern. The second pattern. So second thing is this. Price volume rising, future OI rising, and future stocks. So this is based on you can have all these things, but you will get the strongest of stock, like Bajaj Auto, granules. So upward trajectory and consolidation at top. JK Cement, upward trajectory, consolidating on top. SBI Life, upward trajectory, now it has to consolidate. Nestle, upward trajectory, it is consolidating on top. REC, upward trajectory, consolidating on top. Now here you will get all the stocks which are in uptrend and consolidating at top for further breakouts. SDFC AMC, upward trajectory, consolidation. LIC Housing, upward trajectory, consolidation. Indigo, watch out for Indigo next week. Huge volume breakouts can happen. Balram Chini, upward trajectory, consolidating on top. Ibul Housing, upward trajectory, it can give a great move, immediate move. ICICI Proof, next week, this can blast. Astral, next week, this can blast. Asian Paints, all paint stocks are going good. Canfinome, yes. Berger Paints, yes. So this scan will give you all the strongest stocks and consolidating at top. So price volume rising, select the patterns, feature over rising, future stocks. You can select the patterns from here. Just have to click the patterns and you can done. Okay. Anything in this?
Little bit on Can Finance Home.
Position लिया लगता है Can Finance. Have you taken the positions?
Yes, I have taken.
A trader, if he repeatedly asks about one stock, he has taken the positions. Now look at this. It is consolidating on at the bottom, so it can move up very fast. Hold your positions.
Thanks.
And above 781, new breakout. Anything else on this?
No,
I'm
thank
ready
you.
to ask your queries, if you take in queries, because this covers everything. One of the two of the strongest things which I use in price action, I have covered these two patterns, and which is sufficiently good to take trades.
So there were two things. I think this was discussed earlier. I think there were plans to bring in the super trend, right? Super trend on the scanner. Any update on that?
Yeah, not at implemented to here. Yeah,
It means any plans by when?
Yeah, the plans are there. Definitely will bring it. Yes.
Sure. Okay. And second is on the moving average, right? I think we can only put one moving average, not multiple.
No, we can put many moving average as moving average you like. Look at this display plus up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 moving average.
So one favor, please. Then if you go to the moving average scanner, the scanner one, where is the scanner? Moving average scanner means moving from down to up and something, right?
Acha, scanners, okay. So which scan?
Moving means 20 crossing 50. This one.
So 5 the SMA, no? 5 crossing 20. Okay.
Yeah. So one of the click any one of this.
Okay.
Just open one chart.
I can just click on basic, Shammi, in the top.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And click on it.
Yeah, I thought maybe we can't add multiple one. That's why I was confused. But when this opens, is it possible that both moving averages come? Anyways, now
you can add now 5.
Now I can add. I know,
yeah. And now we can have 20. So you can have the same thing there. Say 5 crossing 20.
Yeah. Sorry, I was not aware of this feature. Okay, got it. And you will share this recording.
Sorry?
Yeah, we will share the recording. Yes.
No, very helpful, Shammi bhai, Sudha bhai. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Anytime. So any I'm ready to take queries. Any queries? This you don't forget. This is every day you are getting a solid stock. Uptrend, downtrend.
I'm having a large quantity of IEX and Graphite India.
Okay. It's good. Both of them are good. Hold it.
Thanks.
And Graphite India.
Carbon, dealing in carbons.
Okay.
Competitor of PCBL and others.
Correct. It's a good stock. Solid stocks. So if you can reduce your holding, if you are an investor, don't need to reduce. But if you are a swing trader or a positional trader for holding for 3 or 5 months, you should really reduce your holding above this 510.
Okay.
Because what happens, the stock is in range from September. This is the range.
Okay.
From 482, so right now 482 to 546. Maybe stock can come down, maybe next week.
Okay.
So reduce your holding.
Okay.
Because it is not much moving.
Okay.
So it is at a very thin lines in monthly. Very thin lines. So basically 428 was the best pickup level. So right now you should reduce your holding because this guy is here. Someone who has sold at a trajectory of this will never let the stock down up above its level. Please be careful in the stocks.
Okay.
Please be careful in the stocks. One more thing, if you go to this overview page, you will get the strongest support as the strongest resistance. Near strongest support and near strongest resistance.
Okay.
Okay, it is in machinery. Okay. Anything else, please?
No, thank you.
So we can conduct this session every, say, 10 days, 15 days, as much you like.
I'll be grateful because I'm not that tech savvy and difficult to get time from office, but very much interested as the passion is there.